Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Vlogmas Day 10. In today's videos, guys, yeah, you all are in for a shock. Yeah, another one. Also, I'm going to be planting out some of my seedlings, my leeks, right? I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to share a tip with you. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. I am cleaning one of my little Katrina beds, and I'm going to put all of these leeks in that little bed. But give me a minute. Let me get something to put them all in. So this is one of my little Katrina brick beds, and it's the bed where I harvest that beautiful bok choy on yesterday. But here I am planting out the leeks in which I dropped in these starter cups. Now, family, one tip I'd like to give you about planting out your seedlings. Sometimes I have allowed my seedlings to just get too big in starter cups. They get entirely too big. So because they are so big, I have to cut the big leaves off, simply because the plant will try to save those leaves. Now, many of our plants go into shock sometimes when we are planting them out, and so that plant is going to try with all her might to get those leaves standing tall again, but she won't be able to. So make sure that you plant your seedlings out when they're smaller. All right, so there goes the leeks. In this little bed here with my olive tree. I have some in the Katrina bricks all on the side. I'm gonna put the main vegetable in there with some of them, yeah. And I'm gonna harvest this lettuce right here. That's lunch. And I'm going to move some of these. I think this is those Florida mustards. I gotta look at the name of it again, but that's what those is, mustard greens. Yeah, so let's move on, y'all. Let's move on. All right, she's all done. All right, I'm not gonna give her a lot of water. The soil is already wet, but that's it. Enjoy. Grow big, baby. Grow big. All right, family. I'm over here by my plantains. Here's another shocker for you, right? Anything will happen in the garden. Things that, you would say, wait a minute. You're not supposed to be doing this right now, right? Family, do you see this? Now, I have not been over here, so I have not seen this. But do you see this? Really? Really, girl? You gonna do this right now? We doing this right now? It's December. It's December, baby. Family, you know, what do you do with a plant that she's fruiting and really, you know, it's not her season, but so for those who don't know, this is a plantain flower and this is plantains. She is not a huge plant. She's not huge. But the girl is, she giving me fruits. So, I don't know if it's going to make it. I don't know. But, you know, what are you going to do with a plant just does what she does? Wow. That's all I can say is wow, y'all. Wow. That's her. Today is Vlogmas. Day 10. Day 10. Yeah, that's what it is. Wow. All right, guys. Let me get my little lettuce here. I'm going to take up the whole thing. I'm not going to take part of it. Yeah. All right. I have some romaine in here, so I'm going to get some of this romaine today. Jody come back here and get romaine and all types of lettuce almost every day. But I got lots. I am really, really just excited by these limes. Look at that. Wait, maybe you all can see them better if I do that. See that? Awesome. Of course, the bees been over here loving on them, so yeah. The bees get the pollen, and I get the limes. Great trade. So I have more and more, that's a cauliflower. Yeah, they're showing who they are. Yeah, they're doing it, baby. They're doing it. There's a little one in there, but they are doing their thing. The kohlrabis are looking good. And of course we have this baby here. She's doing wonderful. Yeah. And of course, let's go see Big Baby. So here is Big Baby. Look at her, y'all. She is just so gorgeous. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah. That's amazing. Kind of look like a seashell. Yeah. Anyway, awesome. I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today on this Vlogmas Day 10. Yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful evening. So it looks like my son is gone for today, but that's okay. And I'm going to be going inside in a minute. I've harvested my lunch, and I'm going to go in and relax for a little while. Yes, but I hope you have a great day. Later, y'all.